Got back the other day, I was too late just. My home was gone, a big pile of dust. Those lumberjacks were packing up their trucks. With saws and things they had made their bucks. Now home to me was that big oak tree, but to them I guess it's called progress. I know things will never be the same as long as Woody Woodpecker is my name. So I got inspiration from their deed. I knew I had one hungry beast to feed. Now what do you do when you got no dough? Show business, man, that's the way to go. First I hired a band with the rhythm section. Got me a manager with good connections, and to give my efforts every chance, I wrote some words for a brand new dance. Dance to the Woody Woodpecker. Dance to the Woody Woodpecker. A forest situated on the edge of town. That's why they've been cutting all the big trees down. The space is needed, so the people say, don't worry about the birds, they can move away. But I've just heard what they're building here, a big nightclub with all the gear. The time is right, perhaps I'll get my chance. Soon everyone will join in my brand new dance. Dance to the Woody Woodpecker. Dance to the Woody Woodpecker. My name is Woody, the Woody Woodpecker. Conservationists say, leave the trees alone, you little fecker. Now what can you do when you got no home but pick a few trees when you're on your own? Dance to the Woody Woodpecker. Dance to the Woody Woodpecker. Now all's well that ends well, so the people say. This dance is catching on in a massive way. Just hold her close and peck her till the break of day. I bet you'll be impressed and you'll be on your way. Dance to the Woody Woodpecker. Dance to the Woody Woodpecker. Dance to the Woody Woodpecker. Dance to the Woody Woodpecker.